Ladies, gentlemen, welcome to another vlog as I am walking down the street in Dumbo, Brooklyn on this late December day. It's like December 20th or God knows what. And it's 65 degrees. I'm wearing my jacket and I'm a little warm. I'm wearing my fall gloves and they're a little bit of an overkill. I don't know. I miss these days, you know. It's been a cold winter for just a couple of weeks and I miss the hot summer. It's only noon. It's a tricky day for me because I gotta process payroll, gotta do a few things. I got a meeting at 1. I just got done with the meeting at 11. I'm actually not gonna go to my Staten Island meeting in person. I'm gonna just Google call or whatever, Google Zoom. And here's my bike. All right, so we got the keys. We're good. There we go, because otherwise we don't know how fast we're going. And speed is crucial. Nice. Pull up my pants. Oh, wait. Huh. Technically, yeah, I could do this way or that way, but this would be quicker because I figured I could probably go another way. Gotta pump up my tires. I got this awesome pump now for my tires. I did a review of it 2 days ago, or last week or whatever, 2 weeks ago, and you guys check it out if you haven't seen it. But it's such a joy now to pump up the tires. I literally woke up to the bike, set the number that I want, like 37 for the back, 32 for the front, hit the button, it's done. I take it off, bum. It's accurate, plenty accurate, so no need to double check yourself and none of that. Anyway, pockets are closed, everything is good. We are ready for a quick little ride before getting back to work. This is like a little treat. I had a sausage, chicken, and cheddar sandwich at like 10:15. Yes, brother. Let me squeeze through here, there, champion. Hit. Going? Vermont Christmas cheese. Lady, that was a mistake. What the fuck are you doing? Confusion about the use of road. The lady is in the middle of the street and I'm taking a left. Yeah, I'd like to see that. I'd like to see that footage to see how far into the street she was. You know what I mean? Just to see how much I should make fun of her. There we go. I'm a terrible boy. Don't worry, I'm not gonna impede on you. I'll squeeze by you, bro. It's all good. We're still recording. Fantastic. That's what I want to hear. Not too spicy. Medium spice. Medium spice. That baby, bro. we go. Yes. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Flowing with traffic, displaying the fucking turn signals. What's the problem? What's the problem? No problems at all. Man, I miss these days. I miss this temperature when you can just go upstate and just fucking relax. I do miss this temperature. It's a lovely temperature, I tell you. Very, very nice. All right, now we'll just relax a little bit. Just take it easy. Pull over to the left, I mean right. Chill the f out. Oh, and I'm getting Korean barbecue later tonight. Boop, boop. Korean barbecue with my mom and sister. Man, if you never had Korean barbecue, you are missing out. Korean barbecue usually, I mean obviously you can get it where somebody cooks for you, but usually when I think of Korean barbecue, you cook it yourself. There's like a grill at your table, and they bring you like marinated meats. I mean obviously everybody knows bulgogi, but there's many different marinated meats, and then you just plop them on the grill, and then they give you like these leaves, these like lettuce leaves, and you wrap the barbecue in the leaves. And there's all these like pickled things, and you know, it's fucking delicious. The whole thing is just a marvelous little apparatus. There we go. There's a speed camera here. Really? Where though? Hopefully not somewhere where I'm gonna be in trouble. It's a courtesy car, so they will go slow. I should probably speed up a little bit. It's totally okay. Long story short, Korean barbecue is not until like 6 o'clock. Before then, I have to go to the Apple store, and no, somebody's calling me. What up, dog? I have to go to the Apple store and get a new iPhone 13 for my mom's, because I'm a nice son. Yes, I'm gonna buy my mom an iPhone. I'm not gonna buy it outright. I'm gonna pay for it monthly, but it is gonna be my expense because I did it a couple of years ago, and she wants a new one, so it's time to do it again. It's all right. It's not a big deal. Not a huge expense. Not the biggest of expenses, bro. Which way you going there, champ? Anywho, anyway, everything will be okay. Bro, what the fuck are you doing? People, I mean, it's a pizza delivery place. You know how I know it's a pizza delivery guy? Because his fucking license plate thing says Tony's. Who in the right mind would put that shit on their car unless they're delivering pizza? You know what I mean? So there's that. Grandpa, get on it. Holy shit. Good.